in science. So today, we are going to discuss how to calculate the internal consistency using the Cronbach's alpha method. So karon na apod si Miss Izzy kamot siya para mag-help kung unsaon to pagkuha sa internal consistency na use ang Cronbach's alpha method. So, in calculating the internal consistency, which is a form of reliability that designed to test whether all the items in your skills are working together. So, this is very important to us as education students, as future teachers, to know how to solve or to use this method. So, like for example, you had an item in which participant tend to respond very differently than the others. So this could suggest that these items perhaps not a good way to measure that you're trying to measure, and it might be in fact and it might be instead tapping into something else. So the internal consistency allows you to assess that the way we measure. So the internal consistency can be called also the Cronbach's alpha method. This is the actual calculations we'll do to put a number on this idea of internal consistency. So sa atong pag-solve here, if nakasolve na ta sa ato ang Cronbach's using Cronbach's alpha method, so if ang ato ang result nga na-solve is like 0.9, so ang internal consistency niya is excellent. And then if the result is 0.8, the internal consistency is good, and then the 0.7 is acceptable, 0.6 questionable, 0.5 poor of consistency, and 0.5 below is unacceptable. So this is the possible result if mauni siya ang makuha sa ato ang Cronbach's alpha method. So in Cronbach's alpha method also naa siya formula nga gihatag diri. So I am going to show you kung unsa ang formula sa Cronbach's alpha method. So mauni siya. So this formula is the formula of the Cronbach's alpha method. So in the first part here, we have k over k minus 1. So ang meaning aning k daw, it is a number of items. So number of items over number of items minus 1. So in the second part, what makes this is very problem yun, it is a quiet lot of work, this one, because in the second part you're gonna you're gonna see a lot of S words here nga naay mga lahi-lahi na subscripts na apoy mga sigma, which means to take the sum of sum squared. So S squared, remember that it is just like this one, it is just like a simple variance. So naadjud tay ko andre lahi-lahi nga simple nga mga subscripts. So this one ato ni pangkwaon ang mga variance in a several times. So kabalo naman ta kung unsa ang formula sa Cronbach's alpha method, which is this one. So the next one is I will going to show you an examples. So I have here 3 items. So in items 1 we have 6. This column, it is the scores of the participants. In items 1 we have 6593215. In items 2 we have 6582314, and the items 3 we have 8664226. So this kaning pagkuha nato diri sa atong example is we need to para makuha nato ang total column and the variance of the participants scores. So first we are going to get the total column. So how to get the total column? So ang ato ron buhaton is we need to add this 3, both this one we need to add. So 6 plus 6 plus 8 is equal to 20. So 5 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 16. And then 9 plus 8 plus 6 is equal to 23. And then 3 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 9. And then 2 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 7. Then 4. And then 15. So after getting this total column, so all we need to do next is how to get the total variance. So kani kay manumano ra man ni siya. So ako na lang i-let ang answer diri nga ibutang. But pero kung sa din mo sa laptop, it is very simple to to get the total variance. So kani you need to highlight this one para makuha nimo ang total variance dito. So ang result ani based sa ako ang nakuan sa laptop kay wala man tay laptop, so manumano sa ta karon ang akong nakuan dito is this result in items 1. So the variance here is 7.29. So and the second is 5.81. So sorry gid kay guys kay wala tay laptop, no? So in item 3, so ang result niya is 5.14, and then the total column ang result niya is 48.45. So mao ni siya ang atoang result sa atoang final na variance. So guys, gamitan ninyo ang laptop ha, because it is very difficult to us na walay laptop. Disud kaayo siya makuha if we have no laptop, no, need jud na to laptop ani nga trabahoa. So ana tay total variance, no, nakita na to. So we need to proceed our formula. So this formula, so mao na siya to ang formula, but Miss Clamocha will discuss about that.
God bless you, everyone. My name is IZP Kalamocha, and this is the continuation of Cronbach Alpha. So, here are the variants of item 1, 2, and 3, which is 7.29, 5.81, 5.14, total of 48.95. So, this is our formula, where x is the number of items, which is 3, and s squared sub y is the variance of the total column, which is 48.95, and the sigma of s squared sub I, so the sum of the variance of each stem, which is 7.29 plus 5.81 plus 5.14 equals to 18.24. Now let's proceed. So here, this is K, by the way. Okay, so now let's proceed. So let's interpret this. So this is 3 is equal to K, which is 3 minus 1, close parenthesis, open parenthesis. So s squared sub y, which is 48.95, minus sigma s squared sub I, which is 18.24, over, again, our formula, s squared sub y, which is 48.95, close parenthesis. So if we calculate it through calculator, the equivalent is 0.941, which is, according to Cronbach Alpha, this is the conclusion. Excellent Cronbach's alpha. And that's all. Thank you.